Snowy. When it's very cold in the sky, water in clouds is ice. Some ice falls to earth. When it falls, the ice is snow. When snow falls on warm ground, the snow melts. Then the snow is water again. Some water goes into the ground and it helps the plants to grow. Some water goes into rivers. When snow falls on cold ground, it's white everywhere. When lots of snow falls on mountains, the people can go skating. When lots of snow falls on houses and streets, people can ride their car. Then they can't go to school for work.